Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to learn about factorization. So when we hear of word factorization, the first word that comes in our mind is factor. So what is the factor? Factor is any number which divides another number completely without remaining any remainder. Means at the time the remainder is 0. Example, here we can take the example of 12. It is the first, and always the factors of any number are number itself and the 1, then 2, 3, 4, 6. These are the factors of 12. Now, before turning to factorization, for doing the factorization, we should know some common identities. The first is a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then the third is a plus b whole cube is equal to a plus b a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Fourth, a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Then the fifth, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then the sixth is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So these are some common identities, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will take afterward the example based on this identities. Second is a minus b whole square, it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then the third is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Then the fourth is a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 3 cube. Fifth is a square minus b square. Now the difference between these two is, here the square is of the both, means the first we have to find the difference of a minus b and its square, but here is a square and the b square, the difference of a square and b square. Then the sixth is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will take some examples on these properties. So the first problem is 4y square plus 4y plus 1. So first we have to see in which properties it sits. So here I can see the square and all the signs are plus. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now b square, 1 is the square and 4 is also the square, y square is also the square. So I will check that is it correct or not. So if it is square and if I will make the square root of square root of this a means 4y square, then it will be y square root will be y, and 4 square root will be 2. Then I will take in the whole square, then plus 2 into, we get a as 2y and b we have to find out, so I will leave some space here, and plus, now 1 is a square and its square root is also the 1, so we get here multiplied by 1, because 2 into a into b, this is our formula. Now if this is a and this is b, then it will be 2y, and all the signs are plus, so here also it will be plus 1 whole square. This will be the answer for this. Means generally in this factorization we have to find the quotient and the answer is given to us, which we do a simple solving of the expressions. Now the second. Yes, so the second problem is 16m square plus 16mn plus 4n square. Now here is also the plus, I will use the same identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here is the 16, so the square root of 16 is 4, of m it is m, plus, now 2 into a we got 4m and b we have to find, into, now 4 root is 2 and here the n, so here will be 2n. Now if this is a and this is b, now we will check 4 to the 8 and to the 16, it is coming 16, so it is the true. Now if it is a and it is b, then the answer will be this. Now here 12m square minus 72. Now in this expression only two terms are there, 12m square and minus 75. So for doing this, first we have to think that how many identities are there which support only two terms. So it is a square minus b square, then a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. But here we can see that here is the square, so we can't take these two, and the identity which is remaining is a square minus b square. But if you will see here, 12 is not the square and even 75 is not the square. So what to do at that time? So first you break this number into two parts. So if you will break, it will be 3 into 4. I will take 3 into 4. Here is square, m square, and this will be the 1 for this. Then minus, if I will break this, it will be 3 into 25. Now if you will see in these both brackets, 3 is common, so I will take it out, 3, and here will be 4m square as I taken out 3, and minus this 3 is taken out, 25 is remaining. Now 4 is also the square and 25 is also square. Now we can use that property, a square minus b square. Square root of 4 is 2m minus, and 25 square root is 5, whole multiplied by 3. So this will be your answer. y cube minus 27. Now here is the cube and only two terms are there. So here will be a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. Here is the minus, so I will take a cube minus b cube. Now if it is the cube, then it will be y, because under cube of y is y only, and the cube root of 27 is 3. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it will be equal to y plus 3 into y minus 3. Oh, sorry. It is of square. It is of square. We have to see of cube. So here if you will see y cube plus of minus 27, I can take like this because plus minus is minus. So here also I can take y cube plus minus 3 cube, and we know that a cube minus b cube, sorry, plus. Now here it is the plus, so we will have to take the plus. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now here a is y, so here will be y plus of minus 3, and here will be multiplied by a square, so y square minus y into 3, but it is minus 3, so it will be minus y 3y, and then here will be the plus b square b cube, and minus 3's cube is minus 27. It will be equal to y minus 3 into y square plus 3y minus 27, and this is your answer. We will take some more problems and some I will give for solving. Fourth, now here I have taken 3m plus 4y whole cube, and here it is we have saw that identity. It is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So now here already we are given with the a's values, a and b's value. We will directly put them. Now here the a is 3m and the b is 4y. So a cube means 3 cube, 3m cube. It will be 27m cube plus 3 into a square. It will be 9m square plus b means 4y plus 3 into, here is a, so it will be 3m into b square means 16y square. Now plus b cube, 4's cube is 64 and y cube is y cube. Now if you will simplify it, it will be 9 3s are 27, 27 into 4, (108). So 108, here is m square and y plus 3 into 3 into 16, it is 16 9s are 144 my square plus 64 y square. Now here there is no common term, so it is your final answer. Now the fifth. Here is 5x minus 10y whole cube. We know that a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now here a is 5x and b is 10y, so it will be a cube. A cube means 5 cube is 125 and x cube is x cube minus 3 into a square, 5 square is 25 and x square is x square into, now b is 10y, we will take it in bracket, plus 3 into a is 5x into, now b square, 10 square is 100 and y square, now minus b cube, 100 cube is 1000 and y cube is y cube. After simplifying, 125 x cube minus 3 into 25, 75, 75 into 10, 750, 750 x square y. Now plus 3 into 15, 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 100, 1500 x y square and minus 1000 y cube. And this is your answer. There is no like term. In this video we learn about the factorization, what is the factorization, what are the factors and some identities and also the problems based on the identities. Thank you.